for your word find. Here are your instructions, and I just kind of made this short little word find over here. This isn't on yours. That way I'm not finding answers for you. So it says when you find a word that's located in a row, you're going to fill those cells blue. It also says you're going to bold all answers. So the word sleet here is in a row. So I'm going to fill it blue. It's your choice what blue you choose. And I'm going to bold. Then I'm going to go here to clues. And I would say that sleet is in a row. And sleet is in cell B20 through F20. Remember, yesterday we talked about this. In Excel, when you're writing the word through, you're going to use a colon. And whenever you're writing cell references, you're always going to start with the column letter and end with the row number. So B20 through F20. All right, let's look for the word coat. Coat is actually here, and it is in a column. So it says when a word is in a column, you're going to create a thick box border. So I'm going to select coat, go up here to my border button, thick box border. It's an answer, so I'm going to bold it as well. I'm going to go here to my clues, and I'm going to say it's in a column. And for my cells, maybe that'll make it a little bit easier to see, it is in cell B16 through B19. So I'm going to go to my cells here, colon B19. All right, the last one is cocoa. Now, cocoa is located in a diagonal. And so when you select all right, so cocoa is in a diagonal. I had it spelled wrong. So when a word is in a diagonal, you can't just use your mouse to select it. So you're gonna use your command key to help you select cells that are not right next to one another. So it says when you find a word in a diagonal, change the font color to your choice. So I'm going to click on the C, press and hold command, click on the O, the C, the O, the A, and release. So again, I click on the first cell, press and hold command, and click the rest of the letters in the word. Go up here and I'm going to change my font color. I'm going to choose blue. And I'm going to bold it. All right. So this is going to be a little different. So the cell range can't be B15 through G19. That would be this. So I'm going to write B15, comma, C15, C16, comma, D17, E18, F19. So I start with B15. B15, comma, C16, comma, D17, comma, E18, comma, F19. And I'm going to say that it's in a diagonal. Okay, so you'll do that for all of these words. Now, it just so happens that sometimes when you're doing a word find, you find words that aren't words you're supposed to find, but they're just in there. So if you like to do that, you may italicize those words when you find them, but you don't have to. Okay, so the other clue is italicize any additional words that you may find. There are not very many diagonal words, and there are very few words that go backwards. So that would be like C-O-C-O-A. So cocoa written up, or coat written up. So, and I'm not sure if there's any that cross over one another either. So just kind of keep your eye out for that. And don't forget to fill out the clues sheet. Okay. And it says when you find the answer on the clue sheet, you're going to italicize and change the font color. So I could select these three, italicize, and change my font color to red to say that I got him. Okay, that way it just kind of helps you know that you don't need to search for those words anymore. And then when you're done, you're done.